All right, everybody, today's day 19. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit, Shelly.
You or me?
Mike and Michelle are playing some ping pong here, living it up.
You got me there.
I gotta go do some organizing.
So fun.
This is a late day for me. I edited some video, got up at like 7, edited some video, made some breakfast, took a quick little 12-minute snoozer, little nap. And then I'm just gonna piddle around in the garage today, maybe take some breaks. But yeah, this ping pong table is pretty sweet.
Oh, sorry, too long. Go, Kate. Oh.
This place is nothing but non-stop fun.
Ow, you stepped on my toe. Sorry, girl. You're not doing your point.
All right, good. I swapped the lights to these. This is what I did in the bathroom as well. These are Cree 6.5 watt 3K bulbs. So now, this is important. I don't need this for heating stuff. I need these lights to see. So I took the heat lamps out and I took the halogens out of here. So now I've got 5 functioning 3K bulbs that make it look nice. Okay, everybody, so here's where we're at. So my guess is by the end of the weekend, so today's Saturday, by the end of the weekend I'm gonna have a big chunk of this stuff organized. Cut that out. All right, so here's where we're at. By the end of this weekend, I'm gonna have a good chunk of this garage put together and organized. I'm gonna enlist my children's and Michelle to help me. I'm going to take the cardboard out of here to recycling. We are going to take these garbage bags to the dump, and I'm going to get anything that doesn't belong in here out of here, get these cabinets in place, get all this stuff tidied, organized, probably touch up some walls, and just kind of get things put together. So that's the plan. All right, so I flop these around back and forth, and I think I like it this way the most. I think. We can get microfiber towels out, I can store it there. The hose reels are gonna be up on the top right there. So I think that's gonna be the way to go. I'm gonna bolt them together. All right, the car's in here. Just gives you an idea of the scale of how big this darn thing is. Like we've got another half a car length in front and full car length behind. Now this is a small car, but we just got everything kind of organized, and we'll take it to the next level tomorrow. So we got to organize into bunches of stuff, and I'll come out here tomorrow and start messing with all that stuff. Yeah, but yeah, that was a big project, just getting it to this point. I'll come back tomorrow and show you some more progress. All right, good morning, everyone. Day 20. Day 19 yesterday was not a great day for me. I slacked off on the videoing. I kind of, cleaned it up in here, but we'll just kind of keep this vlog going from, we'll do a 1920 vlog. But now I want to get into really start organizing, get everything put away, start tinkering with the drawers and all the different things, and get all this stuff. I guess there's really not that much out. I want to get the lift uncrated and the Mosmetic boom pole taken out of the box. I'm going to get all this stuff out of the box and inventoried and set up, put aside. But first thing I'm going to do is go through, get all this stuff put away on the shelves, and then what I'll probably do is just kind of put it in somewhere and then just start doing what I do, which is piddling, putting one piece in at a time. So I'm gonna put something on Netflix here on the TV. I haven't gotten the speakers set up on the TV yet because I need the HDMI module for the C658 and I need a longer HDMI cable, so I'll have the guys send that to me later this week. Yeah, I mean, when you're trying to, it's not trying, but when you're putting stuff at this scale, the amount of things into cabinets. I think first step is just put it in somewhere. So Jeff did most of this, well, pretty much all of this, putting it all in somewhere. And then I'm going to, once I get a feel for what I have and where it fits, then I can start to move stuff around and find different positions. So that's what I'm working with. I don't know why I like this thing so much, the Ultimate Bike Care Kit. So I'm gonna put that in the closet over here. Okay, making some progress, just kind of putting stuff in place. And we're doing a lot of the medium-sized drawers that are double stacked for an 890 drawer. So there's 2 mediums, because the mediums will fit in the 720s, these drawers, but they're not deep enough. Oh, there's another one. See what happens? So you need a medium insert. So the way to go is to take your stuff and to turn it sideways, like this. So the next thing I'm gonna do is take and clean up all my tools. Love this drawer so much. So I'm gonna clean up the tools that we had sitting out here that are all covered in drywall dust. And you know, clean these one by one and put them back together. So Shelly, I had to clean this up because it looked like this. That's what the one looked like before. So it took me like an hour to clean this thing up with some paint thinner, paint reducer. And I've got to do that to all these things. I'll do this one and then I'll take a break from that and keep working on some other stuff. And Shelly's pulling off all the masking. Is it not coming off very easily?
No, it is. If you start on this end and pull down, it comes right off.
Yeah.
You just can't get to that side. So it's the boxes.
All right, so I need to tool grid this stuff out. So I'll probably, next trip up here, I'll ship a bunch of tool grid, but I'm unboxing all the parts of the accessory master collection. And I think I'm gonna just put them in this big top drawer here, and then we'll work from there. You know, I already have some of these semi-tool grid. I need to clean this all out because we got paint and drywall dust all over it. But the saw blades, what other kits do we have? The regular saw blades, the grinders, and then whatever else. I'll show you what we got. But I gotta put these in a drawer somewhere. All right, I was working through some grinders.
Yep.
And I've got to go through and inventory these, because these we pulled out of my drawers at HQ, and then I'll just have the shipping people send me what I'm missing. All right, until I get some tool grid solution here. See, tool grid's coming out with a new 6" by 6" section where I could grid this whole drawer out. I'm just gonna kind of hold me over here until now, for now, getting my master collection set up. But then the next day or so, I'm gonna inventory everything in here and see what I'm missing, and make sure I have a complete Milwaukee set. So another thing I'd like to do tomorrow is clean all the Milwaukee tools. So I gotta clean all these and organize those and put them where they need to be. Inventory those, check the batteries, make sure I've got everything I need, and you know, just get this all set up. I also got my Dynamono balls for the M2 because the ones that are on there, the fall line ones, are clinging and clanging. They don't fit right. So we'll put these on once I get the lift put together in the next few days. Kate is not having a good day. She's in the timeout chair. This is what it's really like living with a blondie, a little anger blonde. And an instigator.
No.
Oh yeah, don't step on my pillow. All right, just kind of working through inventorying all this stuff, all the Prevost piping. You know, I forget how awesome the pressure washing stuff is, and I just kind of take it for granted because this is one of the first products that we developed and then continue to develop. But just opening up a pressure washing bag, I've opened up so many of them. We've done so many different garages that it seems so simple and basic, but it's really pretty awesome. And then we have all the Prevost stuff here to do all the airlines. So just kind of getting everything set out here so we can work on this tomorrow, the next day. This actually works really well, using a little strong cleaner. Cleaning up my tools.
Doing the right thing.
Making them look better. All right, I got a real motivated streak. I cleaned up all the Milwaukee Master Collection. I'm only missing 3 tools that I'll have sent here. So I'm making a list of all the things that I'm missing and need. But this is awesome. Looks so cool. So the rapid charger doesn't really work up there. So I think I'm gonna hole saw back through the back of the cabinet and do the battery storage. I think I might do battery storage here, and I'll do tools all in here. All right, that's much better. I just drilled a hole in the back of the cabinet, ran the power, so now I can easily access the charger up with the supercharger over there. And we got a whole Milwaukee Master Collection. Actually, there's plenty of room in this 650 because it's so deep. So you can easily fit all the stuff with the exception of the table saw and the chop saw. We're looking pretty darn good here. This is great. I got 3 tools that I need to have shipped here to complete the collection, and we've got a full setup.